Hyundai Veloster Turbo Clockspring replacement. So this is the old Clockspring. It was giving airbag fault and basically the Clockspring is broken, the cable inside. To do that you have to take the steering wheel, airbag first, then the steering wheel, and then this cover, which it has one screw, if you see on the bottom there, but you can reach it from the bottom there, and you need a Phillips screwdriver like this, and those are the screws in here. They're all of them like this, 3 screws. So you got one in there that goes at an angle a little bit. That way you remove this. I'm gonna do the reverse way. The clock spring will just come out. There's a little clip in here and you pull it, comes out. You got 2 plugs under, you disconnect it. Very easy. And then this stream goes back in. If it's easy to one hand. Now, I'm not gonna remove this one yet. This is holding the clock spring straight. Alright. Gotta put this one first, because when we put the steering wheel you can't take it off. No struggle. As I said, it's not that easy to do it one hand. One side is done. Let's do better with the right, is faster. Just one more. The angle is here. As I mentioned, it's at an angle like that, so it's easy towards you. Remember, when you take the steering wheel, to make a sign on it, like I did in here. If you look, you see the red line I put on the steering wheel, because there's no sign, it looks like, where it goes. There's something on steering wheel, but not on the column. And if you go by the column, there's a little dot of paint in there, but that doesn't align with anything. So you got the steering wheel here. See the steering wheel? There's no sign, only one dot on the top. Right? First, you gotta get the airbag plug through. Alright. And once that one is in, you gotta remove that clip to hold it. There's a clip in here that holds it when you buy the new clock spring, so we will keep it straight. This clip, we just remove it like that. Now the clock spring is free. You just have to get the wheel straight in the place where it belongs. Make sure it's aligned. And off it goes. But as I said, now it's the way it was supposed to be. I don't know if you can see the red dot I put. Has to be lined up with this top dot. After that, the wheel is there. This is a 21 socket. Meanwhile, let's just put this one in there. This is the steering wheel. It plugs into the clock spring, and then we do better a little machine. not too tight to destroy anything. Right, this goes back into the airbag. This will help you anyway, because at least you know how we did it. So this is the airbag. You got the plug that goes in there, and then it goes through this little clip, clips in and holds the cable. On the side you have the places where the screws are going. You got one here and one there. Yeah, you push it in like that maximum, not to fall, and you access it from the side. It's a Torx 27, and both sides you got one there and one there, and that will hold the airbag in place. You're probably gonna have some fun a little bit to remove this plug, which, as you can see, you need the pick tool. You pull it out like this. The orange bit pulls out a little bit, and then you can unplug it. Right, as you can see, the airbag gonna be here. You will only go one way, so if it doesn't go like that, you're obviously gonna go the other way around. But it's fun to put it with one hand. So you went in, yeah, you push it in, and once you went properly in, you push the lock, and you're gonna need to push it a bit tight until it gets in, like that. And then you have the cable going through this slide in here. Right. Click, spin it, make sure the cable sits tight in there. Yeah, back in there, do the screws, clear the errors, and that's it. That's Hyundai Veloster Turbo.